Just arrived here at Tameron Gulf Coast in Daphne, Alabama. We have this 2016 Ford F-150 SuperCrew cab pickup. On the outside of this F-150, you have trailer sway controls, rear step bumper, and fully automatic headlights. On the inside, you'll find spacious cloth seating for 5, remote keyless entry, and illuminated entry. The 4.2-inch LCD touchscreen display has Bluetooth technology that'll keep you connected on the go. This 2016 Ford F-150 has less than 72,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck buyback protection plan. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.